when I đi Target Barranca, yes, bữa nay là tại về sớm nửa ngày á, yep. Mấy lần tôi đi ăn nhà hàng Tàu luôn, yep. Costco rẻ tiền, yep. And also lâu lâu mới có cái tiệc draft finals, gà chiên ở đây có barbecue luôn rồi, yep. Yep. And lastly, tôi là nghĩ tới ăn Wingstop, lâu lâu mới ăn lần á, chứ là sao tụi mới đi theo mua đùi gà rán mấy lần á, đùi gà rán chiên trong program á, yep. Ăn với khoai tây chiên, yep. Sir, I watched a lot of video clips. There's two versions. Two of them are from South Korea. They live there. They do two different flavors, two vlogs. One is the original and the other one is spicy.
What's that?
Spicy flavor.
Oh.
I was about to say spicy in Spanish.
Yeah. Spicy, picante.
Picante. Or original y picante. Those versions.
Yeah.
And then that's for the Koreano version. In Koreana.
Korea has very spicy food.
Yeah. For pollo fritas. But in Vietnam, it's just the combo meal.
Oh.
It's the pollo fritas y papas fritas, and it's a beverage. See, it's similar to the menu at restaurante KFC y Popeyes.
Oh, actually, I have Popeyes.
Yeah. It's very dangerous because the oil.
Where?
No, when you do pollo fritas y papas fritas at house made.
It's hot.
Because the oil dangerous.
It's true.
Yep. I requested to do pollo fritas consider KFC or Popeyes menu at home. Like we do that for a program for cooking class. Similar menu to make.
What, deep fries?
Yeah. But we have to use I will have to bring a portable gas stove.
We have an air fryer now.
Yeah.
No, they just bought an air fryer for us. Yeah. So you don't need to do that anymore.
The oil instead is safer.
Yeah, we use air fryer.
Yeah.
You just put a tiny bit of oil. You can do that too.
Yeah. And I saw someone say, remember, you have to deep fry, don't be cheap. That was on the video I saw. Like you do wet batter, dry batter for the chicken.
Dry.
And then you dip it in wet first and soak, and then the dry will stick to the wet.
Yes, sir.
That's what I mean.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes the egg is the wet one.
Mm-hmm.
I see some Vietnamese, they do it, they double the layer twice.
Some people, they do it differently, I guess.
So this is when you fry it, make sure no tocar the pollo, because you don't want for the first minute, because you don't want the flour to bust out. You won't have the crust.
It's true.
Pollo is good. I like the pollo fritos.
Pollo fritos.
You've done food for us, pollo fritos, before. That's the East Taylor Brothers. Yvonne's.
I like it there. That one's not too bad. Another one that's pretty good is like Fernandez,
Rouse, yeah. I gave you suggestions as was today. If I was thinking of it would be the Rouse.
I think if we had enough more time, other than a half day, it would have been fine.
Yeah. I did that one time with Trong, when we came back on site for lunch.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How did that go?
It was good, though.
Yeah. Any sauces?
Sauces?
You're like getting sauces on your...
Yeah, I do. I do barbecue and honey mustard a lot, but I still have my leftover barbecue sauce from if I was doing the fried chicken.
Oh, I see.
That's if I was doing that.
Yeah.
You would have to go further towards Jeffrey and Alton for another Rouse. It's two Rouse locations convenient.
What's this one here?
Oh, it's the Harvard and Maine, right in the back of Bowling.
Oh, okay. sign out of the way. The good thing is we're doing Costco face.
Yeah, I used to bring up the scenario.
Yeah.
Okay, yep, yeah, tắc cái này luôn nha các